Look at this crow. It can't fly anymore. It's probably old age. You okay? Jesus. Kind of feel sad for this guy. You alright? Oh man. You okay, buddy? You need help? You okay? Jesus Christ. I don't know what to do. I come with an e-bike. I don't know if I can carry him home. You alright, buddy? Let me see. You need help? Oh my God. I don't know what to do here. Should I take you home and feed you? Yep, he turned upside down now, the crow. I think he's probably dead. I couldn't take him home, so I get some water for him. See if I can go get what's going on with this guy. Oh man, he's dying. Yeah, here buddy. Get some water for you. Oh shit. Yeah, stay here. Stay. Bring some water, see if we can get him going. Give him some water. I just gave him a little bit of water. See? So I go back home and bring him some water. He was already upside down already when I came back. See if we can get this guy going. Here, buddy. Stay still. Yep, I just gave him some water. Give him some bread to eat. Come on, buddy. You gotta eat something. Here. Eat. Eat. Here. Yeah, he was already upside down when I came back from home. Hope he's okay. Here. Eat. Eat, buddy. Here. Here. Come on. You don't want to die. Eat. Yeah, he's eating. Come on, buddy. I hate to see you die. It's a hot day today. Eat. Yep, he's eating. It's a good sign. Come on, buddy. Here, buddy. Come on. You gotta eat. Yes, he's eating. Here. Water. Here. Water. Here. Yeah, it's a good sign. He's eating. He was already upside down already when I came back. Today's a hot day, 90 degrees. Here, come on, buddy. Here. Gotta eat. Here. Come on. You feel better. It's around 90 degrees right now. It's very hot. Come on, buddy. You don't want to die. Start eating. Here. You gotta eat something. See, he's eating. Yeah, you gotta eat something, buddy. Come on, bud. I know you don't. Yep, he's you eating. It's a good sign. It's a good sign, buddy. Come on. Some more. Drink some water. It's eating. See that? Good sign, buddy. Good. Here's my buddy. Yep, I brought him home because if I leave it over there, I think he's gonna die. So now he's kind of I gave him a little bit of water over there and a little bit of bread, and he's getting a little better now. But I don't think it can fly. Now we're gonna fix that. You see how thin he is? He's very thin. Look at the belly, all bone. There's no, look at that. See that? All bone. You see that? That's just a sign that he didn't have anything to eat. Malnutrition. All bone. So my job is try to force feed him back to oh my God, look at this, his foot right here. A little bit of flesh coming off. I feel look at that. His foot is not normal. One of his foot right here. Yeah, he's probably old age, I guess. I got a straw right here, a little bit of water. I'm gonna try to force feed him back to come on, buddy. You can't die. Need water. So give him some water. Hopefully he can fly again. He's so thin. He's malnutritious. First thing to do is get a lot of water into him. Okay. All right. Got some bread right here. I just got some chicken. See if you like chicken. Yeah. You like chicken? Got some fried chicken right here. Come on, buddy. Gotta eat. Oh yes, he's eating. He's eating chicken. Give him a little bread. I'm gonna soak in water a little bit to make it easier for him to swallow. Yeah, buddy. You gotta eat. You're so thin, man. You're not gonna make it. You don't eat, you're not gonna make it. Yeah. Yes. He's doing good now. He's starting eating. Come on, buddy. I hate to see you die. See that? He's eating. Give him a little bit of chicken. Maybe you like chicken. Come on, buddy. I don't want you to die now. That's why I force you to eat. Come on. Yes, 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 that chicken. It's nice to have chicken. Come on. So it's a good sign that he's eating, because if I can't make him eat, that means it's a really bad sign. Yeah, buddy. Soak in water a little bit, see, easy for you to swallow. You gotta eat, buddy. Yes. Here, some water. Here. Soak in water. Come on, buddy. You know, crow is one of my favorite birds, because they're so intelligent. They always, you know what crow do is they always hang around with their family. Crow is really family-oriented birds, and somehow I don't know why their family abandoned him. I don't know if it's a him or it's a he, but I just assume that it's a he. So I don't know why the family abandoned him like this. Maybe, you know, that's part of old age. You know, they can't take care of them, take care of the elder anymore. But this is one of my favorite birds. They're all over the place here. Actually, I made a few, you know, short videos already of crows. They're all over my backyard. They usually fly in groups, you know, and they always, you know, make that communicate with each other. They're really social animal. Come on, buddy. You're eating good. Yeah. Don't do that. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure you're healthy again, and then you can go on your own. Eat. Hey, I got chicken for you, buddy. Eat chicken. You seem to like bread better than chicken. The bread it is. Probably it's hard for him to swallow the see, he's eating. That's a good sign. You're gonna be flying by. I don't want to keep you here. I want you to fly and be free. That's what you want to do. Fly free like a bird. You don't need to. But now you need help, I guess. Get some water. See? It's okay. Yeah, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, this is a very intelligent birds. You see them on YouTube all the time. If you put, you know, they know how to solve problem. This kind of bird that's very intelligent. They're one of the most intelligent birds, and as I say, they're one of my favorite bird. I hate to see him die. That's why I'm bring him home and try to feed him. I hope he make it back. You're so thin, buddy. Might have to keep you a few days and kind of force feed you. He's eating. See that? He's eating. You can have some water. It's okay. Here. Come on. He's eating. Yep. Ready to fly already? I don't think you were too weak. So I'm gonna keep you a few more days, okay? When you're ready, then you can just go. You not belong in cage here. You don't belong in cage. You're a free animal. But since you yeah. Come on, buddy. Eat a little more and then I feed you some more in the evening. Some chicken. Let me see. See if you like chicken. I soak in water a little bit so it's easy for you to swallow. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Oh yes, he loves chicken. He loves chicken. Yes, he loves chicken. Yes. I don't know where your family is. Crow usually, like I said, they hang around with their family. They're in groups, and I think it's getting better now. You want to be friend with me? Yeah. You want to be friend? You're gonna be okay. Oh, he started walking now. It's gonna be okay, but I'm gonna keep you a couple more days, okay? I know you want to go. I'm gonna keep you a couple more days here, and after that, when you're good to go, you're good to go. Yeah, he's so thin. Look at that. Look at his wing. Look at the body. He's very thin. Malnutritious. Look at the body. Oh, he got more strength now. It's ready to fly off now. That's okay. Here, I'm gonna keep you a little longer here. Yeah, I'm gonna just put this food, everything in the water. Put the bread, a little bit of water here. I'm putting it in this styrofoam box for a while. I don't think it's ready to go on. He's ready to go yet. So I'm gonna keep you guys update how his condition doing. I'm gonna try to force feed him again later on, but for now I just let him rest a little bit and go from there. Yeah, he's like I say, when I found him, he's almost dead. Now he's flapping his wings. That's a good sign. You start to eat a little bit, but they have troubling. He have trouble, you know, swallowing food. I guess when you're almost half dead, you're probably dehydrated, and he had a hard time swallowing his food. So, but when he tried to eat food, but as you can see, when he tried to swallow it, it's like he's had a hard time doing it. So I'm gonna put it in the backyard right here, and next to the garage. It's pretty shady right here, so he should be comfortable. I will put some on top to keep him in here for a while. Well, he doesn't want to stay in a styrofoam box, so I'm going to just leave it here. I'm going to put all my plants around there so he can't wandering around. So just keep him in here. I don't think he can fly yet. So I'm just keeping around my my plants right here, and I block all the exits so he can't walk anywhere. I don't think he have enough strength to walk yet. So leave him some water in there, and then I put the bread in the water so it make it soft, so if he decide to eat by himself, he can eat. And I don't think he can fly away. If he can fly away would be great, but I think he's too weak. So I'm just keep him here for a while, and so I block all the so he can't walk off anywhere. So just stay here until he regain his strength, and then he can fly away on his own. In the meantime, he's very weak now. It's like as you can see, it's all bone, got no meat. So I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna force feed him again, and in the evening, he ate a little bit. Yeah, I can see he poop a little bit in the styrofoam box when I put him in there. Yeah, he pooped a couple times in there. So he's doing good now. He's in the shade. It's still hot. It's about 90 degrees right now, but it's in the next to the garage right here in the shade. He should be okay. So keep you updated.